Hey y'all, it's your boy. A few weeks ago, it snowed a lot in my hometown. So yeah, here's a compilation of me playing with my dog. Come on. Alright, you ready? You ready? Let me just grab a good one. Yeah! Again. You want again? Again? What? One more time. What? Yeah, you caught that one this time. Baby boy, what are you doing? Look. Why you want to leave? Why you want to leave? This is your home. This is what you're made for. You are a Siberian Husky. Why is it you want to leave? Hey, don't you run from me. Don't you run from me. Don't you run from me. Dummy. Hey, come here. Oh Lord, he coming. Oh Lord, he coming. Look at him. A Siberian Husky in Jersey. You don't see that every day. Aaron, I'm gonna give you my heart. Come here. Come here. You don't run from me. You don't run from me. I'm gonna fall. Is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fall. Is what I'm gonna do. Not even right shoes for this. I can't run. I just gotta, do. Aaron, come on. You actual dog. Hey y'all, it's your boy. So the snow is much more deeper than last time. I think this is a thing, but Aaron seems to like it. He seems to like it a lot. Hey, come here. Of course he's not listening. Hold on. Hey, baby boy. What you doing? What are you doing?